In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Visa gift card to your PayPal balance. If you've ever wondered about utilizing a Visa gift card via PayPal, you're in the right place. While you can't transfer the balance directly into your PayPal account, you can still use the card for transactions, just like you would with any standard debit or credit card. Let's walk through the process step by step, making sure you understand everything clearly. To start off, you'll need to log into your PayPal account. Head over to the PayPal website or open your PayPal app and enter your login credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Wallet section, which you can find in the top menu. This is where you'll manage your payment methods, including your credit, debit, and any gift cards. Next, in the Wallet section, you'll see an option that says Link a Card. Click on this to start the process of adding your Visa gift card. At this point, you might be prompted to choose between linking a debit or credit card. This step is straightforward, just follow the prompt and select debit or credit card. Now you'll need to carefully enter the details from your Visa gift card. This typically includes the card number, expiration date, and security code, which is usually found on the back of the card. It's important to have these details handy to ensure you can complete this step smoothly. After entering the card details, you'll see the option to link card. Go ahead and click that. This action will save your Visa gift card in your PayPal account, allowing you to use it as a payment method. The card is now linked and you're ready to use it for making payments or transfers through PayPal. Remember, while the card is available for transactions, it will not add funds to your PayPal balance. Instead, it functions as a payment method, similar to how your other cards do. You can use it to pay for purchases or send money as needed, utilizing the gift card's balance seamlessly. And there you have it, you've successfully linked your Visa gift card to your PayPal account. It's a convenient way to put those gift card funds to use, allowing you to shop online or send funds wherever PayPal is accepted. We hope this breakdown has made the process clear and easy for you to follow. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more useful tips. Thank you for watching and happy spending with your Visa gift card on PayPal.